Ilang mga photos ang laging ipinapakita ni Ellen Adarna bilang pag-appreciate sa kanyang mga anak. Kaya naman marami ang natuwa at tila napaiyak sa kwento ni Ellen Adarna na kung saan ay nag-uusap sila ng kanyang anak na si Elias Modesto. Narito ang kwento ni Ellen. So we've got this new thing. I carry my sweet boy every chance I get until the day I can't anymore. He's growing up so fast, but for now, this 81-pound, not so little boy still fits perfectly in my arms, and my heart's holding on even tighter. We'll be documenting it every now and then just so we can look back someday and remember these sweet moments. Forever, my baby, you'll be in my heart. Hashtag 6 years old. Before bedtime convo. Mama, are you gonna leave your phone when you die? Hala, why man? You'll have your own phone by then. Why are you thinking about me dying? So I can still watch our videos with matching cry cry. Ayaw Ana Bob, don't say that. I'm not dying anytime soon. Mahubag-hubagan man sad tanimo. And just like that, I'm emotionally unstable at 8:43 p.m. Happy, sad, kuyawan, kulba, all them emotions. Hi buhay with kids. The only emotional abuse I will tolerate. Sa puntong ito ay marami ang tila nalungkot at napaiyak sa kwento na ito ni Ellen. Kwento ng isang netizen, my 5-year-old daughter talks the same. She don't want me to die because no one's gonna cook for her. For me, it's sweet that even if she was thinking about me dying, that she appreciates everything that I do for her, that she didn't want me to be gone from her life at all. P.S. Her dad passed away when she was 3. Sa puntong ito ay maraming mga moms ang nakarelate sa kwento na ito ni Ellen na napakahirap ng iwan lalo na't bata pa ang mga anak. Nagpapasalamat naman si Ellen sa strength na binibigay sa kanya everyday at ilang mga photos din ang ipinakita niya na kung saan ay endorser na rin ng isang baby product ang kanyang anak na si Lily.